For at moments like these, we are reminded of the power of nature to disrupt lives and endanger communities.
Stars in Boston and Beijing are melting ice caps in the Arctic that disrupt weather patterns everywhere.
Strengthen the partnerships and tools we need to prevail in this war against al-Qaeda, working closer with allies and partners, reforming intelligence to better detect and disrupt plots, investing in our special forces so terrorists have no safe haven. I believe we can disrupt the pipeline from underfunded schools to overcrowded jails. We're also working to disrupt plots against the United States and against our friends in Africa. During our summit, we focused on ways to step up our efforts to disrupt terrorist attacks. We're building new partnerships around the world to disrupt, dismantle, and defeat al-Qaeda and its affiliates. That's why America has a clear goal: to disrupt, dismantle, and defeat al-Qaeda and its allies in Afghanistan and Pakistan. Through continued intelligence sharing, we can disrupt terrorist plots and dismantle terrorist networks. The goal is clear: to disrupt, dismantle, and defeat al-Qaeda and their extremist allies. We have set a clear and focused goal to work with all members of this body to disrupt, dismantle, and defeat al-Qaeda and its extremist allies, a network that has killed thousands of people of many faiths and nations, and that plotted to blow up this very building. Because of you and all the organizations you represent, we're making real progress in our core mission: to disrupt and dismantle and defeat al-Qaeda and other extremist networks around the world. No one should seek to influence, exploit, or disrupt this period of transition. And it includes collecting critical intelligence as we work to disrupt any future attacks.